Tired of your thoughts running into each other on a single line? Let's master the art of the new line. On your computer, the most universal way to start a new line is by hitting the Enter key. Simply place your cursor where you want the break, and press Enter. Voila, a fresh line to continue your thoughts. But what if you want a new line within the same paragraph, maybe to create a list or a specific visual break? This is where the magic of Shift plus Enter comes in. Try it. Your text will drop down, but it'll still be considered part of the same paragraph, perfect for formatted lists or addressing specific layout needs. Now, on your smartphone, the concept is similar. When you're typing in an app or a text field, look for a key that usually resembles a curved arrow or simply says Return or Enter. Tapping this will advance your cursor to the next line, just like on your computer. Most smartphone keyboards also allow for that within paragraph new line. It's often the exact same key you'd use for a regular new line, a quick tap for a standard break, and sometimes, depending on the app, it might function like Shift plus Enter without needing a separate key. Many word processors and text editors offer additional formatting options. For instance, in some programs, you might encounter options within the paragraph settings to control line spacing or to insert manual line breaks. These are less about the typing action and more about fine-tuning the appearance of your text after you've written it. On tablets and some touchscreen devices, you might even find gestures. Look for specific settings within your keyboard app, or simply experiment. Often, a simple tap of the Return key does the trick, but advanced options are out there. Practice these simple techniques, and you'll be creating clean, well-formatted text in no time, no matter your device.